Greetings from Eastern Nigeria in Dubai. Another news update for this Monday. Fish out the killers of Yakubu Sankey. Ejiofor calls on security agents. That's Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, the Council for the Indigenous People of Biafra, that's IPOB, and the leader, Kanu. He has called on security agents in Nigeria to fish out those who perpetrated that dastardly act of killing Dr. Yakubu Sankey, the husband of our High Court Justice Jumai Hanatu Sankey. Of course, the woman, she was the woman who led other two justices to deliver justice in the case of Kanu. They discharged and acquitted the leader of the IPOB. They freed him and prohibited any further detention. You see, so the husband was killed. So the Ifeanyi Ejiofor is reacting to this development. Yes, Ejiofor described the gruesome killing of Sankey as shocking and called on security agencies to do the needful if they can. So they should go and fish out the perpetrators. Look at what he said, I quote now. On a very sad note, we just confirmed the shocking news of the gruesome murder in cold blood of Dr. Sankey, former DG of NIPS and husband to Honorable Justice Jumai Sankey of the Court of Appeal. Recall that Honorable Justice Jumai Sankey was the erudite and incorruptible jurist who presided over the panel of justices of the Court of Appeal that delivered a landmark judgment in Nnamdi Kanu's appeal and consequently discharged Nnamdi Kanu and prohibited his further detention and trial. Those behind this dastardly and heinous crime must be fished out by the security agents and made to face the full wrath of the law. May the soul of Dr. Sankey find everlasting rest in the bosom of his almighty maker. Amen. End of quote. So this is the Ifeanyi Ejiofor reacting to the death of Dr. Yakubu Sankey. Now, a source close to the family blamed the killing of the Dr. Sankey, who is a community leader, on a failed state and the nonchalant attitude of government towards security of lives and property. You have seen what is happening now. Okay? They say this man was not just killed, but he was totally butchered. Totally butchered. So what are we not talking about? That is the indices of a failed state. Yes, one would say that survival today is going to be a victim tomorrow. We're making reference to the activist from Edo State who said it. She said it in open. Yes, she said it. That if you think you are a survivor today, escapee, tomorrow you might not escape. You might be a victim. That is the typical situation of Nigeria today. And you have seen that the man they called jihadist is handing over to a tribulation. You have seen it. So you know what Nigeria will say. You know what Nigeria will say. Jihadist transferring power to tribulation. It's a problem. So these are the indices that Nigeria has failed completely and woefully. The man said he had destroyed Nigeria and he's running away to Niger. So it is a pitiable pity in Dubai for good 8 years. Wasted. People were killed. Lives were destroyed. Oh my goodness. Who weep for these people who lost their lives in this nonsense? They said they were governing Nigeria for 8 years. Who weep for those people in Kaduna, southern Kaduna? Who weep for those people in Benue? Who weep for them in Taraba, in Nasarawa, in Plateau? Who weep for them? Then come down to Eastern Nigeria. where the herdsmen have mesmerized, destroyed lives and property in Enugu, in Abia, in Imo, in Anambra. Name it. In Ebonyi, everywhere, the whole 5 southeastern states, the herdsmen have gone there, raped women, destroyed lives and properties. Who weep for those in Niger Delta? Who weep for those in Delta? The herdsmen, there's also their presence there as well. So Nigeria has been destroyed. Even the oil in Niger Delta has been stolen. Okay? By government of Nigeria, who weep for this country. So people lost their lives just in vain. Just in vain. Tomorrow will be for the remembrance of those who lost their lives in that war, Nigeria-Biafran war. The heroes of the Republic of Biafra. They will be remembered tomorrow, 30th May. And so, but those who lost their lives in this Nigeria contraption from 2015 to 2023, this jihadist enslaving office, who will account for them? Who will weep for them? Who will make memorials for them? The man who superintended over their killings said he's running away to Niger. He has succeeded in killing people, destroying lives and property. And he's running away to Niger. Have you heard about that before? A president of a country said he is running away, going for exile. No one is pursuing you. You have conducted an election in a democracy, and your party man won the election. Yet you said you are going for an exile, asylum. That means you have told the world that you are from that region, from that country. That's where you hail from. And that is to tell you that whatever Mazen Kanu have been saying is true. Go memory lane, go and do your fact check. You will realize that he has been saying the truth. At the moment he's saying it, it may seem that he's not seeing reality. But he is foretelling the future. That's what it means. He's prophesying in most cases. But this one was not even foretelling or for prophesying. It was real that he was telling the world that, look, this man is not in Nigeria. But that one has happened by that time. So it's no longer prophecy. It has happened already that he is not from Nigeria. He is a Nigerian. So that is it. So Nigeria as a country bleeds as jihadist lives behind him, trails of blood, pains, anguish, deprivation, hunger, famine, that